Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another amazing video. You guys, today I am gonna cook some southern fried chicken, right? We got some southern fried chicken in mind. Old school, of course, right? Fried chicken. Now, I found this family pack and I thought it was reasonable. And I had it in my mind to just make chicken breast sandwiches. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. So just come on in the kitchen. So bam, we're just gonna go on in here, and as you can see, we have some big old chicken breasts. And I just want to see just how many pieces is in here, because I took it out last night to throw it out in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, these some big boys right here, baby. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and see what is best for me. Look how big that chicken breast is. You guys, that's a big piece of chicken breast. I think I'm only gonna need 2, because I'm not gonna do too much, okay? So fam, what we're gonna do, I think I decided on chicken tenders. I don't know. But anywho, first of all, I want to say thank you all for supporting me, subscribing to the channel. And yes, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I'm just going to go on in here and get some of this fat off. Well, at least what I can, okay? And I know I'm operating without gloves. I do have gloves, okay? And you guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I create and make it motivating for you to cook more at home. Okay, baby, wait till Grandma finish. Okay? So I'm just going to cut these on down, just like this. I'm just going to make them long strips, right? Because I only need a couple of them. Oh my goodness, my little one is kicking the camera. Please forgive her. When you know you got a little one, things happen, okay? So we got 4 good strips off of it. Well, yeah, we're gonna keep them just like that. Now these is what my grandson, he don't like chicken with bones. Now you tell me guys, how many of y'all do not like chicken with bones? Leave it in the comments, okay? But if I had my choice, I would have had the bone in it. But I didn't, okay? I left it up to them. So we're just going to make some wide strip chicken tenders. You know, if that's what you want to call it. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and cut this one on down, so we can get this chicken seasoned up. I like the taste of chicken tenders when they season very well. And I also like to cut them up while they're frozen. Slightly frozen, you know. It seems as though you can get a better grip. And I'm going to cut this one on down to 2. Just like that. And I know it might be a little thinner, but it's okay. I'm just cooking them some lunch right quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put this chicken right on in this bowl. Well, actually, I'm gonna lay them all out. I'm gonna lay them all out so I can get that season right on in that chicken real good. Okay? I was gonna say, what is that? But that's blood or whatever. Okay, we're gonna leave that on the gloves and keep it moving. Okay. So fam, we got us an egg, right? That I have basically scrambled up. I'm gonna put it in here, right? Quick, simple. You only need 1 egg. You don't need 3, 4 eggs. I mean, hey, how eggs is, watch your budget, okay? And you really don't need that. To be truthful, well, before I get to mixing, let's put us some onion powder in here. Onion powder. We want plenty onion powder. Okay? We're going to put some Cajun seasoning in here. Plenty. Okay? And we got us some soul food seasoning. Just like that. Y'all, I'm over here seasoning up something. Got me coughing and sneezing. Okay? But anywho, let's get back to business. Oh my goodness. I grabbed the wrong black pepper. We grabbed the wrong black pepper. We got some Creole seasoning I'm going to add on here. Because like I say, I want some flavor. So we're going to put some Creole seasoning right on over in this flour. Right? We don't need the rest of the seasoning. Now, you ain't got to double season everything, okay? You ain't got to double season everything. You still going to have. Yeah, I like to take the top off this because it just go too slow for me. And that's it. That's all the season I need. This is all the season I need. Right? Now we just gonna go ahead and mix this on up. Get this seasoning right onto this chicken. Don't one trying to fly out the bowl, y'all. Catch her. Okay? We're just gonna mix this on up. Season right on up on this chicken. So we'll see you guys over at the stove. Okay, fam. So we're gonna go ahead and just batter up our chicken breast. Right now, this chicken breast is actually big enough to put on some bread, right? I'm just gonna put it in here. Just like that. I tell you, these gloves are just too big for me. I don't know what made me buy it. Maybe because it was a sale. I don't know. Well, let's go ahead and put another one in here. But I don't know, I don't need this flour up on my nails. Even though my nails are well protected, I just don't want to do it because I just got these deals. Okay? We're just going to go ahead and just fry them. Y'all, it's free, it's premium, but you know how it is when you have to use. I think 3 is sufficient enough. We're going to let that fry without overcrowding it, because I just want to make sure that I do. Oh, it smells so good. I think I could fit another one in there. It smells so good. Because I don't want to hold you guys long. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what the girl is doing. And if you're viewing me for the first time, I appreciate you. And if you're a long-time rider, I definitely appreciate you. So, yeah, share this video with everyone. Let them know what the girl is doing on the channel. I'm giving you recipe ideas, okay? Recipe ideas, as well as, you know, something that you can create for dinner. If you're a first timer as far as cooking is concerned, y'all keep an eye on that for me. I got me some fresh dishwashing liquid, and I'm just making sure I clean up my mess. Yes. Let's turn that up a little more, and we'll be right back. So fam, we are back. I got down to my last 2 pieces, you guys, but I want to show you my chicken. You guys check it out. You guys, now, if you want to follow this recipe, go right ahead. Make you some delicious chicken strips, or, you know, just chicken breast, period, fried. This is my southern style, how I was taught. And I want to keep in mind, you don't necessarily need the egg, okay? But anywho, if you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And if you're not part of the team, what are you waiting on? And I'll see you guys on the next video. I am trying to stay positive and make videos as often as I can. And yeah, you guys, if you're not part of the family, what are you waiting on? But I'm gonna send much love from my house to yours. So goodbye, and don't forget to hit that like. I'll see you guys later. Bye.